Let's take a look at this TOCOL phone case. This case is designed for the iPhone 12 Pro Max. It came really nicely packaged with everything you need to protect all aspects of your phone. It came with the phone case itself, an installation accessory kit, an all-in-one protection gold bundle, and some stickers and a thank you card. Let's take a look at the phone case itself. It has a really awesome 4-ply structure. The inner layer is a really soft fiber lining. It has an anti-shock second layer, an anti-scratch third layer, and an anti-dust and oil layer. It's also got a raised ridge around the camera to protect it. This outside frame helps lock the phone into its case. Let's go ahead and open the installation accessory kit. This kit includes everything you need to help install the screen protector. Let's also open and take a look at the screen protector and the camera protector. Inside it includes 2 screen protectors and 2 camera protectors. Here you can see everything that's included to help install your screen protector and camera protectors. The microfiber cloth will help you clean the surface of your screen. Additionally, the wet wipes will help clean anything else that remains. Here you have guide stickers as well as a dust sticker. The dust sticker helps remove any dust on your screen, and the guide stickers help you guide the screen protector onto your screen evenly. Here's one of the full-body tempered glass screen protectors. This is the best type of screen protector you could get for your phone. These are very high-quality screen protectors. They are made out of thick, tempered glass, which is heavy-duty and very scratch-resistant. And of course, you also get 2 camera protectors. Installing this over your camera lenses will help protect your camera lenses from scratches and debris. Thanks for watching this unboxing video. I hope you enjoyed it and found it informative.